Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I want to show you how to use Google Sheets for two accounts or two users. So if you create a new Google Sheets file in your Drive, it will automatically be private and only you can have access to this file. But if you want to add one more person or users into this file, you can just add them or invite them. So by clicking on the share here, you just need to add the people that you want to invite into this file, the Google Sheets. Click on the person and then you can notify them and choose their role as editor and then click on send. So now the Google Sheet has been or can be used to by two person or two users like this. Okay, so I think that's all. That is how you can use Google Sheets for two users or accounts. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in a comment. And if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.